guys, this course I will introduce some case about how to optimize like percent statement. I do believe you haven't learned about from other DBS trading course. Okay, we talk about the first situation. Very super easy situation. You only click simple index versus click index. It's okay. We can have a try. The first we talk about an easiest calculation, lies clues percent. Yeah, this SQL sentence select start from TB with clue lies and plus percent. First, we click new tables and exit one. And we click sons and click apples and levels as names and the level as snow number from the nodes and connect by levels and less than 100,000. We can have a try. Okay, now the index has been created. Now let's start. Yeah, the first we collect the statistics information. Execute this package gather table statistics. Okay, I has executes gather table statistics. That's way. Okay, let's go on. First, we open and trace on it execution plank function, and then we execute the SQL statement. Select start from x1 with name like orange percent, because most of the data are the apple, but the small numbers are the orange. Yeah, less than 5. Yeah, we can see the cost. Yeah, index range scan 24 logical get 1 2 3 4. Yeah, if we don't use the index, we can see 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah, we can wait for a long time. Wow, You can see so many logical guesses. 139,894 coincidence guess. Yeah. It takes about 6 seconds. If the SQL is a SQL statement, then choose the index to execute. But if you use index, it only takes 0.02 seconds. Execution plans and the shoes and index rich scan. Yeah, let's go on. Okay, you can see the type first optimization is about 6 seconds, and after optimization, the time decreased to 0.08. It's about 300 times. Optimization's effect is obviously execution efficiency increased by 300 times. Amazing, yeah. The second situation is how to optimize select start from TB with clue like percent ABC percent 2% C mode. Maybe you can think about 1 minute. Okay, we can use a function index to solve it. Select start from TB where clues like percent ABC percent. We click index function on TB inst. Yeah, this is a function index clue ABC. We can rewrite the SQL into set start from TB where instr clues ABC more than 0. We can have a try. Okay, let's go on. Optimize, yeah. Equipment choose and list inst's titles all equals 0. Equipment choose not lie. inst titles and all equal more than 0. Equipment to like. Yeah, that's males and appearance. First, we create a new table. Apple occupies most of the data. Yeah, origin occupies only 4 rows. Yeah, let's go on. Okay, let's wait. Yeah, next we will execute and select start from the X2s with inst, neg and origins and more than 0. Let's see and the execution plan. Wow, you can immediately get a plank because the execution planks and shows the index rich scan. We can see only and it only gets 235 and the logical guess. Yeah, it is about 0 second. Yeah, it's amazing. Yeah, okay. Let's see this and the last situation. Thirdly, let us persec blah blah and optimize this and this sentence. We can think about. Yeah, let's compare it. And thirdly, we talk about how to optimize SQL statements. Select start from the TB with clue like percent ABC. Let's think about 1 minute. Okay, maybe we can create an reverse index. Do you know reverse index? Yeah, you are right. Select start from TB where clues lies and percent ABC. We can rise into other type SQL statements. Select start from TB where clue lies reverse clue lies CBS percent. Okay, we can squeeze index IDs receive on tables reverse clues. Let's enter into OPTIMISE. Let's do it again. Okay. In general, we create task table X3. We can have a try. You can see we use the saint and the agent orange. We want to scale the results and including orange. The first we want to get us and the first we can execute select start from the X list where name like percent orange. We can see and how long time it executes. 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It takes me for a long time. We create the index. We create an index. Let's wait a moment. Okay, the reverse index has been created. Let's execute the SQL statement. What do you think of the result? How long do you think? Oh, amazing! Wow! In 1 second, less than no, less than 1 second, the SQL statements can get a result. It's useful and helpful. Maybe you can have a try it. And I will put a spec in my Google Cloud. You can download it. Okay, this is my lesson 2. Maybe you can subscribe my channels and see you next lesson. Goodbye. Bye bye.